Hello guys, welcome to another video of Supreme Diaries, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my takeaway from the three body problem. Matter of fact, I haven't watched a movie or series in a long time, but when I saw the trailer, I was like, this is going to be an interesting one. And I finished it yesterday and decided that I should do a video about it because it was quite fascinating. And what actually intrigued me the most was the ending of the movie, which I will also talk about towards the end of the video. So if you want to find out what it is, watch the video until the end. So takeaway number one was that our fear for an intelligent civilization is a mere reflection of the civilization that we are, us as the human race. We are the ones who lie, cheat, and kill each other. And because we behave in that manner, we assume that every other civilization behaves the same as us, which could be further from the truth. Hence, my lord, or the Sansi leader, decided to cut communication with Mike Evans as soon as he found out that the human race are liars, or rather, they are capable of lying. And he decided that he cannot trust people that are capable of lying because they do not operate in that manner. Takeaway number two was that since they are like 400 away from reaching Earth, I believe that gives us humanity or the human race a chance to be a truly civilized species, a race that can coexist with itself before it can coexist with a higher civilization such as the Santi race. And it is actually a matter of fact that we do need to learn to coexist with ourselves as much as we will also have to coexist with an intelligent civilization. Because remember, the Santi people, or rather the Santi race, actually have technology that allows them to advance through industries much quicker or advance through civilization much faster than the human race. But their problem is that they do not have inhabitable land. And us, on the other hand, have a problem or challenge of slow advancements when it comes to industries or civilization. But we have habitable land. So that is why we need to coexist. They need to give us their technology and we need to give them land. And that type of agreement means that we need to be honest with each other. We need to coexist, find a way to work together to make this thing work, where nobody is feeling cheated, where everybody benefits. I remember there's this great quote that unfortunately I just cannot recall who came up with it, where I'm going to paraphrase, I cannot remember it word for word, but this person says, I cannot call another human being a foreigner because foreigner means alien, and therefore I cannot call another human being a foreigner because we are basically the same kind of species. We are human beings, we are brothers and sisters, we are made up of the same stuff. So I cannot call another human being a foreigner. So in reality, in this world of ours, there are no foreigners. We are all human beings, we are all brothers and sisters, and have no reason to practice apartheid, xenophobia, or racism. So those are the things that we first need to conquer for us to be able to coexist with a higher intelligent species, such as the Sansi people. We need to coexist with ourselves. Just imagine if they came here. It would even be worse if they decided not to take the liberty to change and be dressed up in human skin, because they actually, somebody says like, wow, you look like us, and then they were like, no, we actually did this for you guys. You know, I mean, just imagine if they came here with green bodies and antennas as their ears. We would definitely kill them. But to show that they're good people, they took the liberty to make sure that they look like us, so that we are not scared of them. But still, we're still having a problem of whites and black still calling each other foreigners. So those are the first problems that we need to first overcome before we can exist with a high intelligence species. And matter of fact, we might not even need to exist with a high intelligence species if we overcome such problems, because then that means we have overcome the mundane stuff and now can focus on the real problems of this world and therefore become the intelligent species ourselves, because then we can work together. You know, we can get the knowledge from the Europeans, the knowledge from the Asians, the knowledge from Africa, bring those things together and see what we can create as one race. And I honestly thought I was not going to like the end of this movie because the mission was not accomplished. But to my surprise, and therefore might have to wait for season two. But I don't think I need to wait for season two because I like the point that Dashi made, where he brought them out to uh, where the bugs were. So that was like showing that through our imperfections and shortcomings as a human race, we are still a very resilient race, just like the bugs were. Because he said that, you know, people have been trying to get rid of bugs since forever, but the bugs are still here. And as the Sansi race has declared the human race as bugs, I believe that even when they get here 400 years later, you know, the human race will be able to figure out something, you know, to survive, because that's what we do. Surviving is our thing. We are a very resilient race, and I like that about us. I don't know, probably, you know, from depending on what type of person you are, you probably picked up things that I did not pick up, and maybe you felt that I misinterpreted something or left out something that was important to the plot of the movie. And you are welcome to share it in the comment box. Let us engage with what you thought of the three body problem. See you in the next video.